So how do you approach when you're getting back into a stock after you get shaken out? How many shares are you buying?
Well, it depends on if I think if it's one of my top stocks, right? Uh, if that's the case, I'm gonna buy all. And Bill has a rule for this, right? You buy, you get shaken out of what you think is a leading stock, you buy back in a little bit more, right, to make up for that getting shaken out. But it's kind of like the 8-week hold rule. I only apply that for stocks that I think are the true game changing stocks in the market and could be one of the big leaders in the market.
Mhm.
So yeah, so it is very hard to do, especially when you get shaken out. Eh, I had trouble for years getting back into the stock because you're price anchored. You have a price anchored bias, and you're like, I sold, like, for instance, this one. If you got shaken out at 74.42, and now it comes back up through the 50, it's very hard to, just on a psychological level, it's very hard to get back into it again, because how can I buy it at $80 or $81 when I sold out at 74.42? I'll just wait for it to come back to 74.42. That's kind of just a normal kind of reaction. But you have to remember that getting shaken out is part of the game. You are going to get shaken out because we manage our risk very tight. We concentrate a lot more than kind of the normal mainstream uh, advice that's out there. We're not getting into 2% positions, 2 to 3% positions. We're trying to build a 15%, 20% position, and so we have to manage our risk pretty tight. And so you'll get shaken out, but if it's one of those really great stocks and it starts coming back, you have to buy it back and try to buy back a little bit more. I'm not great at buying a little bit more back, but I'm getting better at buying it back at least. So uh, that's another step in the game to help you not lose one of these great stocks. The best stocks, they're gonna do everything they can to get you out of it.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube. If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.